wanted to jump in here real quick, take a second. So I had some issues with the GoPro. For some reason it was filming and it stopped filming, and now you guys don't get to see anything. You'll see what I picked up at the end of the auction, and that's about it. So in the beginning, basically all it was that I videotaped was baseball cards. There was a ton of baseball cards there. That was in one of the buildings, and then when you went next door, which I don't think I didn't videotape that because I didn't know there was that section. I thought it was all in the other section. They showed some of the there was a estate auction, so there was just a bunch of stuff. And so they had two sections. They had one section that was in a garage, and then they had another section that was in a the fairgrounds. Basically is what it was, a barn of the fairgrounds. It wasn't all baseball cards that were in there, but there was a lot of stuff. So me and my mom, we split up. She went to the other side. I told her what to bid on, and I stayed on the other side, and she was getting things dirt cheap. You'll see that in the video, at the end of the video, what all I got. But I just want to take a quick second, say I apologize you didn't get to really see anything because of that issue. Welcome to another episode of how much did I spend at this auction? $1,010. This auction we did really well at. I'll show you what all we got. Some of the stuff went really high, some of the stuff that I wanted, but I'm gonna do really well. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So this first item here is this box. I got this box lot for let's see here, 35 bucks. So what's in here is a Harley Davidson hat somewhere. Not that one. You got this jacket too. It's not Harley Davidson. It's a motorcycle jacket. Here's the Harley Davidson helmet. Probably needs to be cleaned up some. And then the rest of the stuff, there's really nothing in here. It's pretty cool. Use those for personal use. Nothing in this. And then some silicone, which is all bad. And then a trailer hitch. But 35 bucks. So I'm listed one of these for close to enough for this for 80 bucks. So, and like I said, I got the jacket, which nothing looks wrong with the jacket. This bowling ball I had to get for my daughter. It was within a bunch of basketballs, footballs, and whatnot. I asked the guy, he bid it up to $30, and I said, man, can I buy this bowling ball off you? Because it's got my daughter's name on it. And he said sure. So I only paid $2 for this. This lot right here, I paid $5 for, I think, for the cars. I did, which is weird because all the other stuff was going for a fortune, but it's just a couple cars, die-cast cars in there. I think for more than $5 I'll do pretty good. It's a Rusty Wallace, another Rusty Wallace, a Harley Davidson banner, another die-cast, let's see here, Miller Rusty Wallace car, and there's another Rusty Wallace and another Rusty Wallace. In this box I paid $5 for, only because of these. They're not expensive. Club heads. There was a guy that asked me if he could have them, and I said, well, this is the only reason I wanted the box. So I got $5 in these. I'll probably get, I don't know, I've never seen this kind with the different numbers you can make for the putter sizes, but I would like to think I get more than $5. And there's a head. Bio merch. That's probably it. Some golf balls, some Nike golf balls. Wilson. That's about it. Wait a minute, there's a grip, new grip. It's 2 grips, I think. Yep. Then this one here, I paid $10 for. I didn't do a review on what it's worth. I'm sorry, $15. But you'll see some of the other stuff, so I assume I can get one 15, probably 40, 50 bucks. I bought these for 15 each. This one's a Chad Little And this one is a Baldwin Motion Camaro. So I'll probably sell these for 40 to 50 bucks. Typically what these get sealed. These are sealed. This was my first bid of the day. Some Keebler cups. I paid 15 for them. I'm not sure what they're worth. That's going to be a chance lot. These Pew Pews, I bought this whole box for 20 bucks. It's got different sizes in there. There's this 223, I think it says. 222s, looks like. There's a mixture of everything in here. Yeah, 223s. But there's a mixture. I figured 20 bucks ain't bad. Then I got this Harley Davidson helmet for let's see here, 20 bucks I paid for that one, which that's a good deal for that. This Walkman, I got 5 bucks into it. I've seen the Sony Walkmans go for 25 to 30 bucks if they work. This is an outdoor one. So, and it's got the headphones. So this hat came with a pretty good find, which is something is really weird that I got because I had a bunch of people ask me about it. So I paid 10 bucks for this $400 Harley Davidson jacket. It is a girl's, but I should be able to get at least, I don't know, 200 out of it, I would think. But like I said, this hat came with it. Then I picked up this because nobody wanted it. Keebler shirt and pants from the Keebler company for $1. I'm not sure what I'll do with it. I picked up this box lot for 5 bucks, and it's just full of brake cleaner for 5 bucks. My mom wants the tarp, so I don't give it to her, but you know, it's got some brake cleaner in it. I don't think there's really anything else that's of value in here. Oh, some darts maybe are in here. I don't know. Wax. Oh, it's for a bow. These are for bows. A shooting glove, which that's a brand new one. They just threw boxes together. I don't know. Let me walk back over here because I got all this in rows. So this box lot my mom picked up for 5 bucks. I don't know if this is a PA. I think the speaker came out, so I may have to fix it. But the speaker's missing here, and there it is right there. So it must have came out, so I'll have to open it up and fix it. But it came with that and this box. It's got a whole bunch of microphones. It's a karaoke with a keyboard. I don't know. Basically, that's what it is. So for 5 bucks, I took a chance on it. I just say the speaker's broken, so hopefully I can put that back in. This came for 2 bucks. It came with something else. Oh, so it came with this one and this one. They combined the two. So this is just yarn separator with some yarn books. But I may sell this. I may give it to my wife. I don't know where this came from here. My mom got it for me, I guess. She's probably gonna take it home because there ain't nothing I want in here. But there's some old Christmas lights, maybe. And then I don't know, some more ornaments in here. Not sure what to do with this one. Another good find I got today was this Casio keyboard, 20 bucks. Do not know if it works, but I assume it works. It's got everything taped to it, so that was a good find. That will not be resale. This was my good find. I haven't opened this up to look at it yet, but I paid $325 for this one. Sold comps for it are $900, so that was a good deal. This one, my mom, I don't know what she paid, but she took stuff out of it, but I think 5 bucks I got for that one. I paid a little too much for this one. I got in a little tiny bidding war. I paid 15 bucks for this. It's got 2 Nerf guns, 3 Nerf guns, and some darts. One looks like it's new in the box, maybe. No, darts are new. So then I got this box here. I picked this up for 15. The only thing in it is this outside timer. That's pretty much what they go for. I didn't see anything else. Oh, there's some hooks and some different kind of hardware in there. Nothing here. Mini little football from Ford. There's nothing really in there. These skates, like I said, they were in that box a lot. Oh, look at this. I got a Caterpillar crawling on me. Here. The skates, I don't know what they're worth. I'm not sure, but I'd like to think that I can get more than, what is this? Oh, elbow pads, knee pads. It looks like there may have been a mouse in here. It sure was. The mouse living in there, I think. But I'd like to think that I can get more than $5 out of it. Knee pads. This I did check. This looks brand new. I paid for that one 50 bucks. They sell for $2.25, so I'll do pretty good for that. I've been looking for this magnet, shop magnet, because it's a thicker one instead of your old. I'm not sure what they go for at Harbor Freight, but my mom paid 30 bucks for that. Then she bought me these Christmas lights for $1. This you guys probably didn't see, but they had 2 containers like this full of Nintendo. There's a Nintendo Switch and an old Game Boy in it. I'm not sure what it went for. I told her to do everything for 125. She did this one for 65 because the guy said separate them, so he paid whatever for the other set and then got pissed because all the cords that he needed were in that one. He's like, well, I can't do one without the other, so tough, sorry. This box here, I paid $12.50. All it is just oyster cases, a bunch of penny sleeves, which I really didn't need those, and then some Ultra Pro pages, and then there's some DVDs in there, which I'll probably sell those at the garage sale. I'm not sure what those are. And then this box, I paid 25 bucks. I have to go through everything, which would take a while. I'm not sure if there's anything really good in here. There was a box that had a whole bunch of, there's an old cards. There was some stuff that was in one of the bigger ones, and the guy, it went for 150 bucks, and I didn't think there was anything worth that in value. I mean, unless you want just the cases. This one was another $25 one. You guys saw me going through it. Here's another reds. A lot of these were the reds. There was one that I went through and I saw this graded bench. It's only a 6. It's not in the greatest shape. But there's some other stuff that was in here too. I saw one of these had some autographs. I think it was this one. But that was 25. This one was 25. Again, I had to go through these, but I mean, it's not really spectacular. I mean, there's enough for $25 over. But there's a lot of reds and stuff. Some pictures. All these are from Pinnacle. And then these went for, let's see here. I bought one that was 45 bucks. It may have been this one. This was $45. And this had I don't know who this is. Eric Amalta. I never heard of him. And then it's got Troy Glass, and then there is a Ryan Sandberg piece of his jersey, and then somewhere in this was something else I saw. That's why I spent that. Pujols, Clemens, Carlton, Reed, Dicka. No, these two aren't worth anything. Let me see, maybe it's this one right here. So I thought that was pretty cool. Phil Nevin jersey from when he was younger, college, to this. And then these, I don't know what 5-card stud is. Man, I'm wishing that one card that I saw, Pull Hole 2nd year, and then Scott Rowland. Oh, there it is, Barry Zito, Aces. But there was something in here. This was the first one I paid $45 for, I think. And maybe it was the other one. Well, maybe not. There's a Miguel. Okay, so I think it was a different one. I think it was the other one. Then there's a nice, there's an old Kurt, Avery, JT Snow. Oh, that's some old, okay. This was it. This is the one I saw, so. Okay, so this one was 45. And then these were all, again, 25. No, I'm sorry, these were 15. I have to go through these. I don't know if there's anything worth value in here. I'm taking a chance, but the last cards I got, it didn't do well. So 15, 15, 15. And then same with these, 15. There is a bay on top. He books at 25, 15, 15, 15. So there's those. I paid $17.50 for this shovel. It's an aluminum shovel. They do really good. And then $7.50 for this shovel and another push broom. I think that's it. I think that's all the stuff I got, which it is. Like I said, the hummingbirds, I'm gonna do really good for that. I'll probably pay for one of them. Will just pay for the whole auction almost. So I'm hoping, knock on plastic, it's new inside because I didn't look at that, the expensive one. The $225 one I did. So, but that's it for this auction. Please comment below, subscribe, like. That helps me. Their eBay or YouTube's doing this new channel thing to where I get a handle. But the more likes I get, that helps me out. So any questions, write me. Feel free to write me and respond below. Thanks, guys.
Baby.